To store Terraform state in AWS S3, first create AWS S3 bucket. This is one-time thing. You can do it in AWS console manually or use Terraform in separate folder to create it, but you don't need to put it straight to S3 bucket. Here you can see I import AWS and random provider. Next, I generate random string that contain only lower alphabet and number. After that, I create AWS S3 bucket. Here I enable the versioning and the encryption algorithm. I also add the lifecycle configuration to remove the old version after 30 days. And then we can just use Terraform command. Init plan apply. Now the bucket is created. Now we can point the backend state in our project to that bucket. Here you can see the key content, the project environment and the state name. Next, run Terraform init plan apply. Now you can see the remote state file is created.